So imagine you're at home and you only have a few ingredients to cook with, or you simply don't have enough time or energy to try a new recipe. With DishDesigner, we would like to solve these pain points with the use of generative AI by simply allowing the users to give all of their inputs and filters and generating recipes with AI. With DishDesigner, we hope to make the everyday cooking of our consumer homes easier, and we believe that this could be the future of cooking for everyone. So imagine you only have a few ingredients at home available and you don't know what to cook with them. With DishDesigner, you can simply take the photo of your ingredients and here you have it. You have your recipes based on the ingredients you generated. And what you can also do is simply swipe to explore. So generating recipes is just the beginning. Of course, being part of ASKO and having connected appliances, we also have the potential to send parameters to our products and create a full cooking experience within ASKO.